Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Toby Wonder. I am CEO and founder of Mainstream Academy, and basically on my channel I like to discuss tutorials on how to make money and also how to acquire certain digital skills, and also how you can use those digital skills to generate a form of revenue for yourself. So basically that is what my channel entails, and if you go through my channel and go to my kind of content, you would understand that okay, this is actually what I do on my channel on a weekly basis. Okay, and I've not been active for a while because I've not actually put out a couple of videos for a while. That's basically because I've been busy doing other stuff. Okay, but right now I'm here and I'm doing this video for you guys, so make sure you smash the subscribe button and like this video if you like this kind of content, and then stick through the video all the way to the end, because I'll be showing you guys very useful and very impactful stuff today in this particular video. So without wasting your time, let's get straight into the business of today. So basically I'll be showing you guys how you can generate up to $20 to $50 daily working from home. So basically all you need to get started is just access to the internet, your mobile phone or your laptop as the case may be, and then a bit of your time, because it will take a bit of your time to get started basically. But I will show you guys with proof that okay, I've actually made some amount of money on this particular platform before actually coming here to discuss it with you guys. So basically what I did was just to test run. Okay, so I came across the platform online actually, and then I went to the platform. I used it for a couple of while and then generated a bit of revenue, and then I will show you can actually make money off it. And then I'm coming here to show you guys exactly how you can do the same with more time, more dedication, and generate more revenue of this platform. So without wasting your time, let me take you straight to the platform and how you can use this platform to generate revenue. So the platform I'll be using today is called Timebox. Okay, so basically Timebox is a website that gives you access to perform some online surveys, okay, and then you get paid for the activities that you do on this particular site. So basically you can see my dashboard already. I have this amount in my wallet, $1.23, and I actually got this working I think maybe just 2 or 3 referrals, and I actually made this much of money. So imagine what would happen if you're able to do 15, 20, 30 referrals per day. Okay, so basically I'll show you guys through the platform. I'll make you understand how the platform works. I'll teach you guys how their payment works, and then you guys can get started by yourself. So to get started, I'm already logged in basically. So to get started, all you have to do is go to timebox.com. okay, timebox.com, and then on their homepage all you have to do is register. I already have an account, so it's taking me straight to the dashboard. Okay, but the registration process is not complex in any way. It's very simple. It's almost as simple as registering a Facebook account. So you have to do is just go there, put in your email, put in your password, and confirm your mail, and then you get started. Okay, but without taking you guys, so let me check my box, because I think I have a couple of messages for today. Okay, so I'll close this for now and let's get straight to it. So when you open your account after registration, this is exactly what you are going to see. Okay, it's going to show you a dashboard, and then you are going to come down here. So when you come down here, you will see that there are tags available for you to perform, and each tax has a certain price which you can actually get from this tax. So you can imagine doing this tax. This tax will actually get you $1.7, almost $2 for completing this tax. This right here also will give you $1.8. So imagine you completing this tax and getting paid. If you actually get to do 20 or 15 of this type of tax in a day, you could actually be earning up to $30-40 in a day, all through your mobile phone and through your system as the case may be. And then it doesn't take much of your time basically. If you were to work a day job, basically you might actually have to work maybe 9 to 8 hours, but if you actually give this platform 5 hours of your time with enough dedication, and you put your mind to it, you could actually be making more in less time. Okay, so basically this is what the site is all about. You can actually go and research more if you want more in-depth knowledge about this site, but I can tell you that okay, you can actually make more money because I've made this amount of money. Okay, when you register, they're going to give you a certain amount of money as bonus, and then you get to complete task to add to your balance. Okay, so let me try and see if I can actually do a tax, but I'm not sure I want to do that, because if I do that, it's going to make this video quite extensive. Okay, because sometimes a tax might require me 5 minutes to 7 minutes to finish, and I really don't want to like waste your time and go through a tax. And basically, if you actually go through this tax, there's high tendency that when you guys actually come on this platform, you might not meet this particular task again, so you actually have to do something entirely different. So me doing this tax right now might not actually give you the knowledge I wanted to give you. But basically, let me show you around the dashboard. So this is your dashboard, and this is your earnings. This place will show you a breakdown of how much of money you've made. So I've not been active on this side for a while because I just came to test one and then I left it just to be sure that I could actually make money. But if you can see the date range from here, so you can actually do let's do last 30 days. I've not been here for like 30 days actually, so let me see what is going to show me. Okay, so I have no earnings for last 30 days. Months today, I don't know, I've been here for a while. It's been a while since I came on the platform basically, but this page is meant to show you your earnings. So if you are very current and very you're on the site more often, you get to see how much of money you're making. Okay, and then we have the end. This is where you can come and then pick up tax that you are ready to fulfill for the day. And then when you take up these tax and then if you fulfill them, you get paid. So coming down here, you will see each tax, and the prices for each tax actually vary. Sometimes they show you the price, sometimes they just tell you because sometimes the prices are changing, but some actually have fixed prices. So you can see all these right here are tax that you can actually sign up for. Okay, so imagine doing something like this. This is $1.3. Imagine you doing 30 of it. Okay, so how many do they have? Then 30. This one will take you 30 minutes to finish. Okay, and then this is how much of money you will get from it. Okay, this will take you 1 minute to finish, but this is how much of money you will get from it. Okay, so these tax are actually simple. I think I want to try to let me try this tax and see, show you guys. Click here to take it. Okay, so how much time do you spend on YouTube daily? I spend a lot of time on YouTube. Let's say 5 hours basically. Oh, is that all? Are you serious? Wow. Okay, so I've completed that task. Sorry, you have already completed the daily pool for today. Please come back to tomorrow. Okay, I've completed that task. It takes a while. I've actually done that task right now. It takes a while for them to add it to your balance. I think it's added to my balance already though. Let me go to my earnings and see if I've earned anything today. Okay, as you can see right here now, I've earned 0.005 from just doing 2-3 clicks. So you can imagine. Okay, so it's that simple sometimes. Okay, and this platform actually pays you once in a week. I think every Thursday. Okay, so you can come here and then you might want to check the timing. Okay, so you know how much of time you have to spend on the task before you can be able to finish. Okay, and then from there you just so you just see easy peasy. I just made 0.005. Okay, which is really small, but then compared to the time I spent on the job, on the task, it didn't take so much time. Okay, so you can actually like dedicate your time to this, and then you can start pulling out maybe like $20 to $30 per day and start amassing up to like $1,000 in a month. Okay, so I feel this is a great platform that you should try out. And let me check let me take you guys through the platforms again. So advertise. So in case you want to advertise a job, a tax, and then you are ready to pay people, this is where you come to. But we are not going to be using this because basically we are not advertisers. We are more of the workers. Okay, so we are not advertisers. Okay, so ladder shows a list of people that are actually like been doing so much tax for today. I think so. You can see this is the ISM earner for today. It has actually done $25. Okay, so you can see people are actually making money on this platform on a daily basis. Okay, so it's a very current platform. It's a very conversant platform. You probably see people from your country working here and making money off this platform. Okay, so I would recommend this platform for you guys, so you guys should check it out if you want to make some extra cash. Okay, and then coming down to the payment, I think they have payment options which they have what's it called? I think they have PayPal. Okay, and then if you don't have PayPal, I think depending on the country and your time and the time zone, you might actually get to see some specially designed payment options for you. Okay, time remaining until invoice cut off 6 days. Okay, this is telling you how many days is left before their next payout. Okay, so this is how much of days you have to wait, and I think their minimum payout is $10. Okay, so if you don't have up to $10 in your earnings, you won't be able to withdraw your money. Okay, and this is just settings where you can set your account privacy, the username and stuff like that. Okay, this is chat in case you need to contact support and stuff like that. So basically this is the platform, and then you can see that I have a bit of money here. I think I've completed about 4 tasks in total with the one I just did right now. Okay, so it's a very genuine and legit platform that you can actually get to make a couple of cash from. Okay, so I want you guys to actually check this out and tell me how this is going for you guys in my comment section. Okay, so check it out and then let me know how much of money you are making from this platform at the end of the day. Okay, I just did this figure just to test and show you guys that this actually works. Okay, and you can see right here, I actually came from nothing to getting this amount of money with just little time dedicated to it. You know, I can actually get to do all these things with so much time at the same time, because I'm always online trying to get new ways to make money online and share with you guys. Okay, so when you guys check this out and then you make a lot of money up to $10 right here, you can come and give me your testimonies in my comment section. Okay, so with that said, that will be the end of today's video, and I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Thanks for sticking around. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and don't also forget to turn on the notification bell, so every single time I post a video you will get a notification from YouTube that I posted the video, and then you can go and check it out. So I'll catch you guys in my next video. Thank you so much.